In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Power BI in a concise and effective manner, focusing on a basic setup using API and Power BI. This process will seamlessly connect your Jira data to Power BI, enabling you to make informed decisions backed by clear visual reports. First, you'll need to generate a Jira API token. To do this, start by logging into your Jira Cloud account. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to access the data. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings and find the section labeled Security. Here, you'll see an option for API tokens. Click on it and then proceed to create a new API token. Remember to save this token securely, as it will be crucial for connecting Jira with Power BI and accessing the data effortlessly. With the token in hand, the next step involves deciding what specific data you need to fetch from Jira. This decision will streamline your data integration process. Jira offers a powerful feature known as JQL, or Jira Query Language, which you can use to filter out the precise issues, fields, or projects you're interested in. If you're not familiar with JQL, you might also opt for predefined filters available within Jira. These filters allow you to refine your selection to only the data that is pertinent to your analysis, enhancing both accuracy and efficiency as you work within Power BI. Next, let's turn our focus to Power BI Desktop. Open the application on your computer and get ready to import your Jira data. Choose the Get Data option, which will present you with various data source choices. Since we're pulling data from the web, click on the Web option. If you happen to be using plugins, you might see options for JSON or OData as well, which are also viable. Input the Jira REST API URL that you formulated earlier, which might look something like this: http://yourinstance.atlassian net REST API 3 search JQL. This URL is where your filtered data resides, thanks to your earlier JQL queries or chosen filters. Alongside inputting the URL, you'll need to authenticate your request with the API token you created at the start. Enter this credential information when prompted. This step is crucial as it allows Power BI to securely access and retrieve data from your Jira instance. As you move forward, Power BI will begin fetching the data from Jira. Once imported, you'll have access to this data directly in your Power BI dashboard. From here, you can start visualizing the insights by creating informative, dynamic reports that can assist in driving data-driven decisions within your organization. That wraps up our tutorial on integrating Jira with Power BI using API and Power BI Desktop. By following these instructions, you can efficiently connect your data sources and transform raw data into valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your data analysis process.